Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to join Teams meeting. So you can join a Microsoft Teams meeting in several ways. So if you have a meeting link, so open the meeting invitation in your email or calendar. Now in here, so under meeting links, click join to join the meeting. So next, you can enter your name if you're joining as a guest. Then allow access to your microphone and camera if prompted. So if your camera is turned off, just click this camera icon right here to turn it on. Then you can turn on your camera too. You can toggle it on. Then click join now. Then just wait for the organizer to admit you if the meeting uses a lobby. Next, you can also join with a meeting ID. So click join with meeting ID, then type a meeting ID in here, then type a meeting passcode, then click join meeting. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.